Hi guys, it's me again, Fumbles, and we finally finished the preparations for the first setup of Operation Gothic Serpent. As you can see, you got 3 little birds on this side, 1 Black Hawk on this side, 2 more LAVs, a Wild Stallion vehicle on this side, 2 more Humvees in green. You got customized Humvees on the front, another one dito kay Conundrum. Excuse me pare. Finally, we've set up yung may mga figures na. We got Snake Eyes here, some Deltas. You can see there Recoil, Sean Connery na si ano to? Golden Eye? Golden Eye, si Dial Tone, General Hawk with the ano to? General Ray and Flint. Got the map over here, so twist lang natin. Ayan, meron silang mission briefing, may blackboard sa likod. We have long range, a sniper, si John Cena. Ano ba to? John's, ito pangalan niya? John
Spartan. Marine.
The Marine, so the Marine.
John Spartan.
And then we have here Eric Bana, si Hoot. Some more Deltas, Dusty. Another Ranger, and then si Repeater. Some more guys. Bruce Wayne pala. Naka-sunglass, ay naka-goggles lang. We have another customized Humvee on this side. Dalawang slant back. Yeah, may slant back Humvee tayo. One of those rare slant back Humvees. 2 more super Humvees. May custom tayo na rocket vehicle, courtesy of Conundrum. 2 more LAVs. Ayan. Tapos isa pang Wild Stallion. Kay Bam naman. Another Black Hawk. And 3 more little birds. And syempre, hindi natin kakalimutan yung star of the show. Meron tayong mobile command center. Ayan. Nandun yung dalawang girls. And then you have another mission briefing dito sa side na to. Then you have Rampart. You have Rampart Custom. That's Rampart. We have Oliver Queen. Yan, medyo magulo lang. And then, syempre, everybody's favorite mercenary, Deadpool makes an appearance. Pare, welcome back. May nakatambay pa tayong mga special forces. We have an SAD operative. We have, uy, Frank Castle, pare. Frank Castle, the Punisher is here. Ano pa ba? Bale, later, we'll come back for setup number 2. Another 2 hours. And that's it. That's the first setup for Operation Gothic Serpent, brought to you by Toy Soldier. We bring the drama in diorama. So, kita-kits ulit later. We're here at the 8th Philippine Toy Convention sa Mega Mall. Today is day 1. It's June 13. One of the Toy Soldier officers, si Storm Shadow, si Bam. So, kita-kits ulit mamaya. See you guys. Hi guys, this is day 1, first setup for Toy Soldier, Operation Gothic Serpent. Yung mga new vehicles kami, the Humvee. And then the mission briefing. Hello, sa gitna. Parang dumami yung Humvees, mga 15 na siya ngayon. And then same setup, still have the Black Hawks. So dynamic modular diorama, yung pinakita ko kanina, it's gonna change later. Got some guys taking pictures of the setup. So balik ako ulit. This is your man, Fumvee. Thank you, thank you!